Mga kapips, good evening. I just want to greet you a happy new year. No? 2020 is a great challenge for us. No? Mga banat buko, no? Sa pandemic. No? And thank God that we're still alive. No? Napasalamat ako sa Diyos na safe yung family ko. May mga dumaan na trials nung last summer, but salamat sa Diyos, na-overcome natin, no? Na-overcome namin, family namin. Just want to wish you a Merry Christmas, belated, and a Happy New Year. Stay safe, everybody, ha? Enjoy. 2021, atin ito. Okay? That's our year. Our year to recover, our year to, kumbaga yung gulong, kumbaga yung 2020, pababa tayo. Yun it's time to shine. No? And let's pray that that vaccine is effective. God bless the world. God bless the peeps, your family, okay? Lola, say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year?
Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year?
Sige, kapips, ha? Okay? Bye.